Hello everybody, I'm Kimi from ProductMafia.com. If you're in the dropshipping world, you have probably heard about the popular app orbelo, which is basically a bridge between your Shopify store and your supplier. Orbelo is a really nice app that helps you import products from, for example, AliExpress directly to your Shopify store. But sadly, Orbelo is closing down on the 15th of June. So what happened, and if you're using Orbelo, what other alternatives are there for you? Okay, let's start with a little bit of history, and then we can go in why and what are we gonna do. Orbelo was founded in September of 2015 by a bunch of entrepreneurs who were planning on making an app that helps dropshippers import their products from a website like AliExpress. In 2017, Shopify went in and bought Orbelo for around $15 million. And it quickly became one of the most popular apps on the Shopify App Store. And then on May 2022, which was last month, Shopify came out and told us, hey, Orbelo is gonna be shutting down here in June, 15th of June 2022. This wasn't anything, expected. I've used Orbelo. A lot of my friends who do dropshipping have used Orbelo. It's a popular app. You use it to import all types of products. It's way easier to use than doing it manually, and it allows you to add like a bunch of products right away. They even had like a verified suppliers part of their website app tool where you can pick a product and then find a supplier that has worked with other Shopify people before, and you can kind of trust them. But all of this is gone. So now this came as a surprise to a lot of Orbelo users, and they're standing there scrambling to find alternative solutions. Speaking about solutions, check out ProductMafia.com where you can find the hottest best-selling products there is. We don't just give you winning products, we even give you the winning ads, the winning landing pages, and so much more. Ensure you have everything you need to make a ton of money with dropshipping. So, why is Orbelo shutting down? Well, we don't actually know the exact reason. No, we haven't gotten any real reason, but we have some pretty good guesses. In short, Shopify decided to close down Orbelo because it's just gonna discontinue the app. And this happens sometimes, a company like Shopify or other companies, they would buy an app or a tool just so it doesn't become a competitor. And they suck it in. They take all the worker or the people working in the company, they take the technology, or they develop the technology on their own, or in this case they might buy a company that has a better technology, so they would discontinue Orbelo. It's possible that Orbelo is not needed anymore because Shopify has its own fulfillment network now. Whatever the real reason is, it's obvious that Shopify is moving in a direction where Orbelo is not with them anymore. Plus, they recently acquired Deliver for like $2 billion. This could actually signal that Shopify is going into this space where they are trying to fulfill the orders themselves instead of relying on something like AliExpress, which I like, but I'm afraid of the results. So if you have been using Orbelo, you need to move, and you need to move soon, because at the 15th, Orbelo is gonna stop completely. Over here you can check out some of the alternative we recommend to go check out. A lot of them work in the same way. They have some pluses, some negatives to them. If you're interested, tell us down in the comments what other apps are you using after you left Orbelo. I don't know what people are gonna be using, like the #1 app after Orbelo is done for. I'm gonna miss the app, I've got some good memories with it. If you're still here, you're awesome. Thank you very much for watching. Consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the ring bell button so you can get notified every time we post on ProductMafia.com. And I will see you in the next video.